This phenomenon baffled Scandinavians as glowing objects streaked across the post-war sky, observed from Sweden to Finland and beyond. In 1946 and 1947, pilots and civilians reported bright, fast lights that vanished suddenly, leaving witnesses both intrigued and anxious. People feared enemy aircraft or paranormal omens because the sightings coincided with unsettled times and sparse, conclusive data. Modern analysis shows many were misidentified meteors, stray rocket tests, and aircraft reflections, often mistaken for one another, with atmospheric conditions exaggerating brightness. In truth, a mix of meteor fragments, abandoned or secret missiles, and optical errors created a convincing but explainable light show, resolved by careful correlation of sightings and physics.